Welcome to Attainable Green. I'm Jess, and today we're going to do something a little different. Since there's not many flowers and there's a lot of spikes and sheets going on, it's kind of time to do some maintenance on my orchid cabinet, or my orchid supply cabinet. It's been kind of a mess since I kind of just throw everything in there. So it's time to clean it up and get it organized. It has my fertilizer, it has orchid supplies, pots, media, all sorts of random stuff. So hopefully it'll be nice and organized by the time this is complete. So first of all, this is how the cabinet looks right now. It's kind of a mess. There's just random things everywhere and it doesn't have like a designated spot. I would like it to be a lot neater. And of course, with everything, in order to make it nice, you have to take everything out. So I have to remove everything from the shelves and put them somewhere. And in this case, I'm just putting it on the countertop. So I have a bunch of water bottles, empty water bottles that I want to use as pots. There's fertilizer here, there's orchid media, there's a random digital scale. I'm not quite sure how all these things ended up in here. This is why I'm cleaning it up. So now that it's nice and clean, I'm going to remove the mat, take out all the extra dirt, and put it back in so that we have a good surface to put everything else on top. So after I took everything out, this is the pile of stuff. As you can see, not everything matches and it's just kind of a mess. So this is why I'm going to organize it and put it into separate categories. The first section has to deal with watering. So it has my fertilizer, my supplements, my watering jug, my TDS meter, pH meter, and some syringes to which I dispense the water. I'm going to put all this in an easy access area on the lower shelf so that it's easy to access. The second section are all the pots that I have. These are old pots that I have, ones that I'm testing out, and some nursery pots. I just keep it all here just in case if I ever need to pot something up. I'm going to put it in the back so I know where it is, but it's not in the way. The third part is my orchid media. I have sphagnum moss in all sorts of places, so I'm putting it all together in one bag. I'm also putting all the bark, the perlite, and the moss in a box so I know where it is at all times. I'm going to rearrange a couple of things so it's displayed how I like it, but overall I think this is a great result. I like how neat and organized it looks, especially after what a mess it was before. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for cleaning with me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, Attainable Green, for the latest updates. And hit the bell so you never miss an episode. Bye!